Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this video is a tutorial that teaches how to cut and sew a men's collar. So if you want to know how to make a men's collar, please watch to the end for full details. And also please subscribe to my channel, comment, like and share this video. Now before cutting the collar, you have to sew the body of the dress. Then take the neck measurement like this. So my neck measurement is 18.5. This is a paper stay. The neck measurement is 18.5 plus half inch to get 19. Then divide the 19 by 2 to get 9.5 as the neck width. Then 2 as the length. Now 9.5 minus 1 inch to get 8.5. Then the length is going to be 2.5. Now I'll remove half inch from the up point. And also remove half inch from the down. Then cut out the shape. After cutting, I'll place it on this collar stay, pin them together. Then trace cut the collar shape on this collar stay. You see this middle line? I'm going to cut it. So I'll first mark it like this so I don't mix up the pieces when sewing. So I'm cutting it now. Now after cutting through the middle, I'm going to pin the collar stay on the fabric. After pinning the collar stay on the fabric, I'm going to cut out the excess fabric from the sides. And after that, I'll iron to glue the stays on the fabric. So guys, after ironing and carefully trimming around the edges, this is what you get. Now I will sew round the top part of the collar and turn it to the front. After After turning to the front, sew the top of it through the edge. Now to the down part of the collar, I will sew the two sides. Turn to the front, this is how it looks. Now I'm going to notch the collar like this. After notching it, I'm going to place the collar like this, then sew it. Now after sewing it, I'll trim off the extras, then turn it to the front. This is how it looks. Now instead of ironing, I will sew on this middle line. After sewing, you see how flat it looks. Now I'm going to fold the collar into two, then notch the middle. So we are done making the collar. To attach it now to the shirt, I will notch the middle of the neck like this. Open up the collar, then pin the softer part of the collar to the shirt like this. Now after pinning, I will sew it straight. Now this is the collar after sewing. And this is the back view. Now I'm going to fold it very neatly like this, then sew. So guys, this is the collar after sewing. That is all you have to do to make this men's shirt collar. If you watched to this point, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Please share this video, feel free to comment and also like the video. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.